Hi, this is Jamie again. We're going to get you set up with the right environment to develop HTML5 apps and deploy them to Silver Mobile. So first, you got to pick your toolkit to use. We have developed example applications using both jQuery Mobile and Sencha Touch. For these videos, and it's also my recommendation that you use Sencha Touch. It has an MVC paradigm and it's more mature. It's better. Okay, so let's remind ourselves then kind of where things are. So I'm in Silver Mobile folder. We've shipped under examples. So examples is really literally one web app, but we've got different folders with different HTML5 applications in there. And so we could make things easier to manage. So as you see, there are three basic apps: banking, device stream, and stocks, that demonstrate different features and capabilities. I'm going to go over each one of these in later videos. You see that there's a -JQ, that's for the jQuery mobile version, and -ST, that's for Sencha Touch. Okay, so if we go ahead and log in, either using your device or simulator, when you first log in to 8080, port 8080 is default. And what happens is you have the jQuery mobile versions, which are fine, but we want to use the Sencha Touch version. So what we do is I'm here on this page, under the username user, we can edit that user so that they're allowed to see instead these the Sencha Touch versions, and we update, and you'll see that changes right away. Okay, so then when we go to try one, you'll see that it says, nope, you need Sencha Touch. And if you follow these directions exactly, they're very simple, then you can get up and running with the Sencha Touch versions of the example apps. We'll do that right now. So what we're going to do is download Sencha Touch and move just a couple files into the JS directory here under examples. So what I've done is I've got this little tool that helps me move things around on Mac OS. So I've downloaded Sencha Touch, and I forgot to show you where to do that. You just go to the Sencha site. Now they've just come out with Sencha 2, recommend 1.1 at least for the next month or two. Download it right here in the bottom, 1.1. When you do that, you can open that up and then just copy there under the root directory. You're going to copy the one file, and I'll show you where that should go. So that should go under, just right under JS. Okay, so we're going to take the Sencha Touch JS and we're going to copy. Done. Now under resources, we're just going to copy CSS files for the style. CSS styling as well, and that's under resources. And good. Okay, so that should be it. Now, if I reload, we're up and running. Excellent. All right. Now, lastly, let's make an Eclipse project where, again, we're looking at the root folder of this examples directory, and that's where our HTML5 and our optional server-side code will be as well. In one of the apps, there's just one little servlet that we have in Groovy that transfer funds for us. So we'll show you how that works as well in subsequent videos. But again, use Eclipse or whatever you want, and you'll be able to have all the source right there in front of you. You'll be able to edit this stuff in place and have it show up just by doing a simple reload here. Okay?